Yo, what's good? Chef Balo here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be making my secret recipe that really levels up your dishes. So move over, plain rice. A new king is in town, and his name is wild rice. So you know we love our white rice in Caribbean cuisine. It's a staple, something that everybody eats, but it can get a little bit boring and a little tedious sometimes. So wild rice is a great alternative. It's nutritious and super healthy, and has all of the 9 essential amino acids that the body needs. Wild rice grows naturally in fresh water, marshes, and it takes about 3 months or so to grow. And a fun fact, it's not actually even rice. It's not related to rice, even though it has rice-like plants. And it's slightly chewy and nutty with, I would say, an umami flavor. Really a fantastic side dish. We're trying to get out all of the impurities and the dirt that it would have. Another fact that we should be doing, actually, if you want to speed up the cooking process, is to soak the wild rice overnight. We don't have the time to do that today, so we're just going to go ahead and rinse it. But just be aware, if you do it this way, it's going to add a lot of time to your cooking process, and actually more time than they would have on the bag. So we're just going to use some basic vegetable oil, add some onions that we have chopped up already, and give that a stir. Just saute that in there just to soften it up a little bit, let the flavors come out. And then we're adding some better than bouillon veggie. This will really bring out that umami flavor that wild rice naturally has on its own. And also, we don't have any broth. Normally you use a vegetable broth or whatever, but we don't have it. This is just a Maggi seasoning mix, also vegetable, and a little sea salt here. And it looks like it's a lot, but it's not really, because wild rice needs extra seasoning to kind of bring it out, you know. If not, it's just going to be very, very bland. And we bring that to a boil. And then now we're just going to go ahead and add the wild rice that we just finished washing and cleaning. And because wild rice is such a grain, I always advise you that you add a little bit more water than you normally would as if you were cooking regular rice. Let's go ahead and give it a stir, and then now we're going to cover it. I'm using foil paper because I really want this to steam and the steam to hold in there. And we're going to have to let this go for, I'm telling you, at least 45 minutes. People, they say about half hour, but to me it's just too chewy when it's like that. So as you can see, the grains have opened up. You know, it's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Could be eaten just like this, but we're not going to do that. So remember earlier we went to the farm and we picked up some tomatoes, and this is one of the beautiful tomatoes that I got from the farm directly right off the tree. And we're going to use this to bring our wild rice just to the next level. So you just want to make this into basic cubes, and you know, you can make it really fine or big. It's really irrelevant. You just want it to be chopped up. It just needs to be chopped up. And we sauteed a little spinach also. So all we do now, we just add this to the rice in stages. I want it a little bit at a time. See, I'm not going to add all of the spinach at one time, just a little bit, and then we'll just mix that in and let it, you know, get in there, because I want every bite to have some sort of vegetable in there. And here we just went crazy. You can add avocado. We got microgreens that we got from the farm also, and you just turn this into a next level dish. You can eat it like this. You can eat it with a salad, or just use it as a perfect side dish. This is top level stuff here. Thank me later, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next video.